In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your website's header by adding a personalized image using the Wix editor or Wix Studio while browsing with Google Chrome. We'll take you through each step in an easy to follow manner, so whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, you can easily incorporate this into your site design. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Wix editor or Wix Studio, and it's important to use Google Chrome for this process because of its compatibility and smooth operation with Wix's tools. So if you haven't already, launch your Chrome browser and navigate to the Wix website, log into your account, and select the site you want to edit. Once you're in the editor, you'll notice your web page laid out in sections, and this is where our journey begins. Next, you'll need to click on the header section of your website. The header is a crucial part of your site, as it usually contains your company's name, logo, and navigation menu. Think of it as the face of your website. By adding an image here, you can immediately capture your visitors' attention and convey the style and personality of your brand. Now let's move on to the heart of our customization, the image. Look towards the Wix Editor toolbar and find the Add button. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Image. This choice will allow you to upload the image you've selected for your header. If you haven't already chosen or prepared an image, consider what message or feeling you want to convey. It could be a professional logo, a welcoming photo, or an artistic design that represents your brand. Once decided, make sure it's in a web-friendly format like JPEG or PNG, and that it's of high enough quality to appear sharp on different devices. After clicking Image, follow the prompts to upload your file. This is an opportunity to review your selection to ensure it's polished and ready for viewing. Once uploaded, you'll see your image appear on the page. It might not be in the perfect spot just yet, but that's what we're going to tackle next. Positioning and resizing your image is key to making it fit seamlessly within your header. Click and drag the image to the exact area where you'd like it to be displayed. If needed, resize it by clicking and dragging the corners of the image. This way, it maintains the correct proportions and doesn't get stretched out or squashed. Pay close attention to how the image aligns with the other elements in the header, such as text or logos. This will ensure everything looks harmonious and professionally done. And that's it! You've successfully personalized your Wix website by adding an image to your header. Give your site a preview to ensure you're happy with how it looks across both desktop and mobile views. This process not only enhances your website's aesthetic appeal, but also reflects your brand's unique essence right from the get-go. Happy editing!